Tony here with Random Adventures, and we're on another random adventure. This time we're actually outside of St. Clair, which if you remember in an earlier video, we parked near a Dunkin' Donuts and walked up to what's called Wolf Creek Falls. We're going to do that again. However, we're coming in a different direction. I don't know if you can see it over my left shoulder here, but we got some power lines. We're walking the power lines to get to it. Now, this is an access road for PP&L and also the landowner. I actually met one of the landowner's family, Jamie and dog Coco. They were at the gate and gave me permission to walk back here. Like I said, it's about 1.6 miles to get to the turnoff where we're going to go to the falls. It's mainly going to be a walk along this PP&L road, access road. Like any hike, anywhere that you go, always remember, leave no trace. If people bring trash in and leave it, that hinders the ability for other people to go enjoy that spot. So always practice that principle, which is leave no trace. All right, let's get going. All right, talk to you soon. Okay, we're coming up on a used to be puddle. This is when I like to look for tracks to see what kind of game is in the area. Oh, look here, we got a nice deer track here. Walk out along here. Oh boy, yeah, that's a big one. A nice big turkey print there. That thing's huge. It's size next to my foot. But yeah, this is turkey prints and going through here. Mud, old mud beds. They're good for taking a look at seeing what kind of tracks are in the area. But I've been seeing deer trails or deer tracks the whole way through here. In fact, on the way in, I saw seven deer that crossed the road in front of me. I couldn't get the camera out, but they were taking their time, that's for sure. All right, yeah, let's keep getting down the road here. I know we're north, or we're above the falls, so we're gonna have to walk down along the stream. I just don't know if there's a trail. I haven't seen one yet that breaks off. A lot of times trails are marked with what's called cairns. I'm looking for a trail close to where the falls would be. I see some rocks stacked over here. That's called a cairn. So, and that'd be a stack of rocks. Does look like there's a little trail there. Here, Wolf Creek, like I said, we're still at the top side of the falls, so we're making our way down. Nice little trail here. I don't know if it's from people coming back to visit or if it was animal made mainly, but really cool. I think we're getting really close. Okay, well, we made it to the top of the falls. Now we're going to explore around the falls. Hopefully you can hear me over the water rushing. Really cool spot. I found a nice spot to sit at the very top of the falls. You can see I'm kind of sitting up against some rhododendron, little cover in other words, but we're at the top of the falls. So let me give you a look what I'm seeing. And as I spin you around, this is the very, very top of the falls. I'm gonna step up over. So that's a good look down. So this is a two-story fall. You got that tier down there, which we're gonna walk out on. Then the lower section where all the down trees are, that's the lowest part of the waterfall. So we're gonna go off to that right side there from where I'm standing. But to get there, we're gonna go back through this little trail and then work our way down that side of the falls. And we'll grab some pictures on the way and really explore. Like I said, there's a couple really neat rocks on the one side that I want to check out. So let's get over there, get across these rocks here and get back over to the other side. Tony here at Wolf Creek Falls. As you can see, the falls behind me, we are on the second level. So there's still another level down below. We're gonna actually go to this side over here. That's where I had found that overhang. So I wanna check that out a little bit more. Plus explore some of the rocks and moss. Probably go down that way too. We're just gonna go all around in here. Really cool spot. Really, really neat. I did bring coffee along, so maybe we'll find a spot, make a cup of coffee, and sit and enjoy just these waterfalls. Beautiful, beautiful. So let's go check that out. We're just going to cross these rocks here and go up on the other side. So we're just leaving the falls, well, the second level of the falls, and we're coming to this area here where I saw those overhangs. Here's one overhang. Just keeping an eye out for snakes. Yeah, this is cool. Just a very neat place. All right, let's keep walking out along here. This is that overhang that I saw before. I'm gonna step up in there. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the overhang I was talking about. So, yeah. So like I said, you can actually go in here, you know, get out of the rain, whatever. But it goes up there a little ways. But if you look straight up, that's the overhang. Now with my backpack off, I could squeeze in there a little further. Here, let me get you in front so you can kind of see what I'm looking at. You can see light coming in all the way at the other end. Really neat. But, yeah. So I'm standing inside of here. Really cool. All right, let's keep going. Okay, just through the woods you can see the fall, the top of it, and that's another section, and then all the way down there is the bottom of it. So that overhang rock is right there, so that's what we were under. We kind of went along here, made our way on a rock scramble up through, went through that area over there, circled back around the top, and came through these pines down to this spot to get another view of the falls. We're gonna head all the way to the bottom. Let me get you adjusted here. We're gonna head from, so we were on the other side, we made our way across the level section of the second tier. We didn't make it all the way to the bottom yet. That's where we're headed. I wanted to explore these rocks, climb around. Really cool, a lot of pines, a lot of great places to sit, even just to relax and enjoy. But now that we're on the very top, look at this moss down on these rocks. Just so cool. But we're gonna scramble our way down there. It's quite a ways down. I don't know if you can tell the perspective of the different heights, but really cool. I would say I'm probably, well, at least 50 feet high from the base of the fall on these rocks here. All right, so let's make our way down. I think I'm gonna go back around that way and then head down there, look for a best way to the bottom. All right, catch you at the bottom of the falls. All right, so I just made it down that, and we're to the bottom of the falls. Okay, now just to the left of the falls at the very bottom, I want to show you this. Back in this little rhododendron area to kind of make your way around this boulder here. Like I said, I scrambled down from up there, but this is a really cool area too, to the left of the falls. We're going to walk that way in a second. I just want to show you this. You can actually see down in there some little light coming through. But this is a huge overhang. I can stand up in here, definitely. Yeah, oh my. This is a big, big area. Really neat. A little bit of water running. Yeah, very cool. I'm going to step in here a little bit more. Yeah, very cool. It's nice and cool back here too. Just look back out the entrance. See, it probably goes back about 15 feet or so. This is the very big overhang. Really neat. Go down in there. Yeah, let's take a walk just around this, down through. More rhododendrons. Oh wow. I'll kind of break down through here. Kind of opens up. Wow, look at all the moss on that. Yep. So we're just over there. Falls back that way. That nice little cave over there. This just kind of runs down along the stream. But yeah, a lot of moss. Wow. Kind of head back this way. I would think that these rocks kind of in the stream kind of would meet at some point, so you probably couldn't go this way too far. But another look up. Quite a ways up there. Yeah, I'll make my way around this rock here. Okay, come around this rock. Oh yeah. A lot of moss still, rhododendrons. Look at all that moss on the rocks. Yeah, it's so cool. Yep, here's Wolf Creek continues below the falls. So yeah, we could probably follow this out a little bit. Let's just take a little bit of a walk down through here. Yeah, it follows the stream. Like I said, up above, this rock ridge kind of runs out through. Another place underneath. Yeah, I would say we're gonna go as far as that can go because it meets the water there. Really cool. And that's the back to the Wolf Creek Falls. And that's where we're headed back to. All right, I know it's going to be really hard to hear me, but that's Wolf Creek Falls, and man, beautiful spot. Very beautiful spot. So where we came in at up here, and came down along, went across there, went underneath that upper section there. I don't know, that upper section. Then we came across, went through there, them pines. Was at the very top of those rocks, way up there on the very, very top. So we kind of did a wander around. We did take a look at that cave. So that cave, let me just spin you around here. Sorry if I made you dizzy. That cave is right back, that little dark area right there, right around the corner is that, I'd say a good 15 feet in, maybe 10. I could reach the top, so maybe a 10 8 or 9 feet high, but it goes back in there a nice little ways. I think, you know what, I think I am going to make a cup of coffee, so maybe I'll show you that. That I definitely want to drink a cup of coffee here and enjoy the little bit of time that I have here, and look forward to seeing you, and I'll talk to you in a couple seconds. Yeah, I was trying to figure out where I was going to get water for my coffee. Oh wait, there's a waterfall. Let me fill my cup up. Yep, that's enough. That's a good cup of coffee. Amazing. Beautiful area. Beautiful. Really nice falls. Really, really nice. So I appreciate the opportunity to come out and take a look at it and video it and let you enjoy it. So I hope you like the video. We're going to start making our way back to the car, so we got to go up the falls, up the trail, and back to the car. So from the base of the falls, instead of going up the other side and crossing over, we just came across that log. We're going to just follow this little trail to the, I guess if you're facing the falls, it'll be to the right of the falls. We're just going to go up through here and make our way back out to the main power line. All right, let's spin you around, look at the falls one last time. Very cool. And we're just going to make our way through this rhododendron forest, or a tunnel as they call them. Well, Tony with Random Adventures, I want to say thank you very much for coming along again. It was a really neat hike in. Got to see the falls, all the different levels, both sides of the falls, and there's a car going by because you know what? I'm back to the road. Well, it was a great adventure. I do want to say, if you like the videos, hit like, and subscribe. And there's a little bell, and you'll be notified if you click on that. Every time I put a new video out, you'll get notified, and you'll be one of the first ones to be able to see it. All right, so I've got to get going. I got to pick up a pizza and head home. All right, see you on the next random adventure. All right, take care. All right, so another great adventure. Thanks for coming along. And oh wait, I already said that. But hey, until the next random adventure, have a great You click on that notifications. Every time I come out with a new video, you'll be able to see it. All right, well, until the next random adventure, you have a great week. Oh no, that's not what I said. What else? One adventure at a time. That's right. Okay, come on, cut. Wolf Creek Falls. You know what? That's a wrap.